Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Eightcap to TradingView in 2026. For that, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your TradingView account if you haven't already. Now, by default, you will be on this particular home page of TradingView. So here on this particular page itself, simply use the search bar on the top. Then you need to simply search for any of the symbols of that particular chart which you want to launch here in TradingView. For example, let's say I want to launch the chart of gold. So here the XAU/USD spot pair is available. You can also use the search bar in order to search for its symbol. Simply click on the option of launch chart right next to it, and it is going to launch the chart in front of you. So once you are inside the chart analysis page, simply use the bottom left hand corner of the screen and click on the option of the trading panel. Afterwards, click on the option of show all brokers, and it is going to show you the list of all of the brokers in front of you. Now, since we want to look for Eightcap, you can either look for its icon here in this particular list, or you can use the search bar on the top right hand corner, then simply search for Eightcap. As you can see, Eightcap is available here. So when you see its icon, simply click on it once, then provide your Eightcap username and password and click on the option of connect. So this way you will be able to connect your Eightcap account to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.